Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be creating a short sword and armor on the batch game. So let's start off. I'm using Notepad++ again. Let's do set has short sword equal F and set has leather armor equal F. And then after that we'll move down to the shop over here. We're going to do if percent has short sword percent equal F echo 3 by short sword. We'll put it as 20 coins. Let's make the knife 10 coins. Let's do if percent has leather armor percent equal F echo 4 by leather armor, and that will also be 20 coins. Let's go to if has short sword percent equal F if percent shop I percent equal 3 go to by short sword. Then let's do if has leather armor percent equal F if percent shop I percent equal 4 go to by leather armor. Alright, so now that that's all set up, let's add the leather armor and the short sword down here. Let's do by short sword. Let's if percent coins percent is less than or equal to 19, go to can't buy. Next will be set slash A coins equal percent coins percent minus 20. Set has short sword equal T. Then let's do go to purchase complete. Now let's make the armor by leather armor. Let's do exactly the same thing. I'm just going to copy and paste this and change some of the stuff on it. Let's do less than, that's correct, and we just have to change this one. Has leather armor. Another thing we're going to do is after this we're going to do set slash A max HP equal percent max HP percent plus, and the leather armor will give them a bonus to health to it. And the reason that I'm doing it right here instead of doing it in pre-battle is because it might have to stack up with other stuff in the future or something like that. So I'm just making it there just in case. It's also going to be in load. That's where we also have to add the two new items, which is up here, save and load. So let's go to save. Echo percent has short sword percent echo percent has leather armor percent. Down here we would do set slash P has short sword equal set slash P has leather armor equal, and then at load complete we're going to do if percent has leather armor percent equal T set slash A max HP equal percent max HP plus 2. So that'll add it. If you had it, you already bought it, and then you load up, it'll give you your bonus health. So after that's in the saving and the loading, we just have to add the sword to the battle. So let's go to the battle down here, and let's get started on this. If had short sword equal T echo 4 use short sword. That's it. We just have to add it down here, and then we will add the actual attack from it. So do equal T, excuse me, I'm reading up there as I was doing it. So let's do battle I equal 4, go to use short sword. So let's add it right after the knife. Use short sword, set slash A MHP equal percent MHP percent minus, that one's 3 to 2, so we'll do this one a 2 to 4, I guess. That'll work. Percent random, percent 4 to 2. And let's let's change this to 1. Let's just give them a higher chance to, able to hit a higher number, but also have a chance not to just always have a higher number. You know, what if they miss or just skim or anything like that? So if it's less than 0, go to win. They'll do the same damage for now until I make a future tutorial on creating harder bosses and stuff. So we'll do HP minus % random %%, and it's 2 to 1 from the monster. After that, we'll see if our health is less than or equal to 0, go to lose, and then we will go to battle. And if I'm correct, it's in, the armor's in. You can buy it, it saves and loads, it's usable. So the only thing left will be adding it to our inventory. That way you know that you have it. So if % has short sword % equal T, do echo you have a short sword. The same thing for the armor. If has leather armor % equal T, echo you have leather armor. And that will be that. Let's go and try this out. So we will start up. We'll join. We will check our inventory. We don't have anything yet right now. So let's go and let's check the shop. We have 0 coins. We have our stuff right there. We can buy both. So let's go to debug and just cheat in some coins. Let's go back. Let's go into the shop and let's buy the short sword. And let's buy the leather armor. Both of them disappear. Let's go back. Let's check our inventory. We have everything. And let's go to battle. We should have 12 health. Yep, we have 12 health. We can use our short sword. We attack. We did 2 that time. We did 3. And we did 4 that time. So let's finish them off. You won. Yay. And that's the whole tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And like, you know, all that good stuff. And I'll make another tutorial soon to make the bosses harder. And I think I'm going to add in levels and XP and some other stuff. I think I'm going to redo the battle system to make it a lot easier and simpler. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.